lights have been turned off. The day is coming to an end. As you settle down and prepare to sleep, I, Jesus, am coming close to you, very quietly, right next to your ear, to remind you of something very important. Truly, I tell you, you are not a mistake. You are a gift. Before you were born, I already knew you. Yes, before you opened your eyes for the first time in this world, I, Jesus, had already seen you. My Father took his time when he made you. Every part of you was made with such care and love. He himself formed your innermost being. He lovingly knit you together in your mother's womb. Every part of you was thought out, was dreamed about in the mind of my Father since the beginning of time. Your voice, your hands, your eyes, your hair, your laughter. Nothing in you is there by accident. Absolutely nothing. Before you lived even one day of your life, I already had every one of your days written down. Because your story matters to me. Because you matter to me. I know sometimes you doubt you're enough, that you make too many mistakes, that you do not meet the expectations of others. And deep inside, you wonder if you really matter at all. Tonight, I want you to remember this. You are a marvelous creation. You are a gift to this world. Not everyone will see it. Maybe not everyone will understand it. But I want you to know, my child, I see you. I understand you. And I am glad you exist. So now, repeat with me very slowly. I am not a mistake. I am a gift from Jesus. Say it again. mistake. I am a gift from Jesus. You are not a mistake. You are a gift with a name. You are God's dream come true. Rest in my love. I love you, Jesus.